Yo everyone, today we're talking about how to get unlimited coins in Kumu application. As you can see, for my account it's already generate unlimited amount of coins, and I get this absolutely for free because I discovered new method in 2023 for mobile devices for Android or iOS device. So how to get unlimited coins in Kumu? Basically it's very easy. Follow me, open your favorite browser and go to this website. This website allows you to install Kumu mod application for your devices. How to download? It's easy. Enter our email address, select our devices, press download. Now as you can see, our application is already installed. Wait to finish this process, sometimes pop up command verification. Okay, and now as you can see, Kumu mod application is already installed in my devices. Open it. All you need to do to get unlimited amount of coins, enter amount as you want. In my case this is this number, press button go, and now as you can see everything is generated. Wait to complete of this process. After complete of this process everything will be generated. And yeah, this is last step, everything is work fine. So open our balance or our account and check our balance, and boom, now as you can see I have unlimited coins for my Kumu account. So follow all instructions. Thank you for watching. Bye.